Good morning, students. I hope you all are doing well. Today we'll be doing a very joyful poem, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's just begin. We just go directly on this poem and we'll study that what this poem is actually about. So let's begin. So the title of our poem is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So read this interesting poem and we will be enjoying this poem. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Once I caught a fish alive. और 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 और मैंने एक फिश को पकड़ लिया है. I caught a fish. Catch का caught. This is the past form of catch. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and then I let it go again. मैंने उसको पहले पकड़ा और फिर उसको वापस जाने दिया. किसको? फिश को. Why did you let it go? उसको जाने क्यों दिया? Because he bit my finger so. क्योंकि उसने मेरी उंगली पे काट लिया था. किसने? फिश ने. Which finger did he bite? This little finger on my right. मेरे right में जो little finger है उसने उसको वहाँ पे काट लिया था. And this poem is anonymous. We don't know that who has written this poem. Moving on to the word basket, the first word is alive. Alive means lively, मतलब जिंदा. The second word is right, means right hand की little finger. That is the right hand little finger. Moving on to the exercise, the first exercise is the oral exercises where we will be learning how to pronounce each word correctly. The first is 1, the next one is 2, then it's 3, then it's 4. Moving on to the next is fish, then it's alive, then it's threw, throw का threw हो जाता है, then comes the finger. Moving on to the correct answers, the fish, the child caught a fish alive. The fish bit his little finger and the child dashed the fish back. The child threw, वापस से उसको उसकी जगह पे छोड़ देता है, and the fish bit the finger of right hand. So it's the match column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I caught a fish alive. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I threw him back again. You have to write down the next lines, right? So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and I caught a fish alive. Six, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then I let it go again. Right? Why did you let him go? Because he bit my finger so. And which finger did he bite? That is my right hand finger, right? This little finger on my Moving on to the next, that is the answer the following question. You will be doing all these question answers in your respective notebook by yourself. And I hope you all like this beautiful poem. Although this poem was anonymous, we don't know who has written this poem. This poem is basically about a fish जिसमें उसने जिंदा fish को पहले बाहर निकाला, फिर उसके बाद उसको वापस अंदर डाल दिया. So it's just about fish. A very small poem. You just go and read through this poem. There is nothing so much bigger in this poem. And please keep studying, stay healthy, and thank you.